Hearty welcome to Fairytech channel. Today we are going to look at the free online course providers. These providers which are shown here, not limited, but these are based upon the experience of the academicians, of a few students. Based on those experiences and feedbacks, these providers list has been provided in the video, and there is no ranking for this, and these providers are given out like top 5 here, but there is no ranking here, just they are provided in a list out here. Out of these 5, in this particular video we are about to see their websites, and this video is particularly an introductory video about these providers. Let me take you to the websites of these providers such that it will be easy for you to understand how to learn these courses. Just let us look at the screen now. Now, very first one, as mentioned in the slide for you, is the bit degree. Now, there are so many courses, like free courses available here. You can sign up by creating an account, or if you are already having an account here, you can log in. Even you can become the instructor and put down your own course into this website. You can type for free courses here. Once you type down, you will see a list of courses that will fall down here, which are matching for that free. You can look at this free here. You can start learning them, the beginner courses, and few of the courses are nominal, and when you go on learning these courses, you'll find few more courses will come as free as the time progresses, and most of the courses are of a nominal price here. You have to search for free courses like this. You will search there and you will find the free courses. You can look at these things, these free courses. You can learn these courses depending upon your applications, depending upon your requirements. You can learn these free courses. Look at this one. This is about bit degree. Let us move to the next one. Among these is Allison. In this also you can find out, just type the free courses here. We have to understand one thing, that not all the courses are free here, only few courses are free here. Okay, you can learn, see here the courses going on, few courses which are free, and these courses will come with assessment in Allison. After the assessment, you will get a certificate, like verification certificate, which will helpful to add it to your credentials in the academic or for your job promotions. And moving from Allison, we're next going towards Udemy. You can look at this one. In Udemy, you can find free courses as well as most of the courses are for nominal prices. You can, when you search free courses, you will get like this. You can observe here free. You can learn most of the simple courses with free. At the end, you will get a certificate. Few of the courses are having certificates, few of the courses will not have the certificates, and few of the courses will be having an assessment in between the chapters or at the end of the chapters. This is about Udemy. And one thing you have to remember here, the courses available here will be like having discounts from day to day. You can see here how they will give the costs out here. Depends on which type of course you have to learn and on which date of that month it is going on. If there are there any discounts, you have to search for them. If there are any discounts, you can go for them. This is about Udemy. Next one, Open University. This is almost all the courses available in Open University are free courses. It can be said that it is a world's leading distance learning provider. You can search for the courses from A to Z also here. You have to provide your country. When you provide your country here, it will be easy for it to say that to check for the courses which are available. You can go for A to Z of subjects here. When you go to A to Z of subjects, you can look at the domains out here, A to Z domains. Depending upon your domains, either it be engineering or geography or healthcare or health being. Let me show you engineering here out. You will find some of the courses, that is degree, diploma and certificate courses. Depending upon how long it will take, you have to go for these courses. Okay, this is about Open University courses. You can click onto this one. You can go for the certificate courses, diploma courses, degree certificates. But when it comes to some high-end courses like degree or diploma, most of the courses are having nominal fees depending upon the university providing here. Now you can go for course types also here. When you go to the course types, find your course type depending upon which type of course you want to select. But not all the courses are free here. A few courses are free here. This is about Open University. And last but not the least, the Karsa. Here, almost all the courses are 100% free courses, but all the courses here available are very limited. And few of them are old and outdated, but few of them, even though they are old, they help us to understand the basic concepts of the particular subject. Like you can look here, programming with PHP, like this type of content, how do there is mobile phone repairing. These are all fundamental courses. If these fundamental courses are required by any people, means base courses, this website is useful, which are provided here free of cost. Almost all are free of cost. This is about the Karsa. These are the 5 courses that are provided here. Now, this is the 5 proper course providers that is mentioned in this video. Now, along with these 5, I am once again repeating this word, all are not free, but a few courses in these providers are free. And most of the courses come with free learning, but to gain a certificate, they are going to charge you some processing fee for few of the certificates. But along in this video is a purely introductory video about free online course providers. In the next upcoming videos, we are going to learn how to access each one of these courses and how to get the certificate. All these things we will be going to learn these things in the next upcoming videos. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Watch, share, like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Your precious comments are very valuable for all of us to prepare good videos in this channel. Please start supporting and subscribe our channels. Thank you.